All right, more fun times. Picking up a trailer. Actually, not a trailer, a container. Which I hate. Grab a flashlight. It's not the right flashlight. That's the right flashlight. All right. So we are at a rail yard picking up a container. Now these containers I like better because the airlines and everything are over here. So I rock with that a little bit. Usually I have to get up in the middle, which I'm probably still gonna have to climb up here a little bit. All right, let's get it cracking. Let's hit up our airlines. Now this container doesn't have the airlines colored. Just always remember, red goes closest to you, which means blue is furthest away from it. Man, containers suck, man, because air be leaking between these things and they old and barely work and all type of stuff. Anyway, so let's do our walk around real quick. Flashlight. Alright, so we got our ID light. 924. Good. Let's check our jaws, make sure we are locked up. And yes, we are locked. Alright, our body looks good. No holes or nothing. Tires. Threads are good. All right, so we got all of our lights, license plate, got our seal. Now at this rail yard is actually like connected to my job, UPS. So our check-in and check-out is very, very easy. They have some type of contract because we kind of just come in and leave out. Free will. We don't have to go through the computer system, so that's pretty cool. Right, lock the container in. Safety. All right, so the back is good, sealed up. It's not one up top, so I remember that when I get back to the warehouse. Good. All right, so everything is fine. The body is no crazy damage. I got some duct tape up there. No crazy damage on the body. All right, so we're good to rock. All we gotta do is get these legs up. If this is easy, then this is gonna be a good container. Up, see? Already got this crap going. And then a lot of containers, the way to put the legs up is the opposite direction that you normally go. So are these legs going up or what? Are they even moving? See? I don't even know if I'm doing anything because the gears don't seem like they're moving too much. I think that's going down. See, normally you would go left to let the legs up. There we go. All right, so this container's not too bad. All right. that should be good right there. Alright, so this one wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad at all. We good. I checked the jaws on the other side always, but let's double check one more time. Yep, we good. Alright, that's it. We about to hit the road.